my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe, my darling people. Today's topic, they say nothing wey Musa no go see forget, really, like seriously. I no understand wetin dey happen for this world again. I no just understand, really, my people. This one will just happen for Germany, so na good thing. Na good thing, my people. Me, I no understand. Like, the thing they shockalize me, really, like, seriously. You know, this our temper, maybe they try they control them. Maybe they try they control them. Because this temper, if you know they control them, wetin it go lead you to, you yourself, you go shockalize. You go spend the rest of your life for prison because you know they feel control your temper. It no good. Maybe they try control our temper, my people. This one shocked me, oh, it shockalized me, It shocked me because, like, the thing, I don't understand, my darling people. This boyfriend and girlfriend, they stay together. They never marry, but they get 2 children together. So, my darling people, 2 of them, they say that they quarrel all the time. And yesterday, it just happened so. They say that they quarrel, every time quarrel. So, then the boy, anytime when him with the girl they quarrel, he always bring knife, one choke the girl all the time. Now they do am. You know, they always talk this thing, say, if a guy do you like that, like if una dey quarrel, if they always want go bring a knife, want go bring something, run for him. Even though you don't marry him, run. How many times person go tell you now this thing? How many times? They always talk this thing. If a guy don't threaten you, run for your life. Run for your life. No wait. Una no go here. Una go still there with them. Okay, this guy now, they always bring knife out, say one choke this girl. This girl now not gonna say, okay, may you run. He still there with the boy for his house. What did they cause quarrel? So either the girl come up for us, if he come back, he go one beat him. Or they say one jogodo. If the girl say no, the boy go start to the fight him. He go start to the fight him. He go even bring knife. The girl go still run for your life. So this last one again now, he can say make the girl break Kpekus. The girl say no. Say no, they do, because now guy will be say if they always they use ID that now all those guys will be say they not a bit talk for our side. That they also always like to humiliate their woman, do them anyhow, and all those kind guys. Now the boy be. So after I just spoil women finish for our side, if you come house, they be the girl they there, you just spoil women. Now those guys will be say they know they control their mouth. They always like to use mouth to spoil women. Now those kind of guys he be. So after he don't do this one, he don't spoil the girl with spoil girls finish for our side. If you can't reach her, say you want to go do with the girl will come say no, you not go do. So as the same thing now, he don't see do this thing again for our side. So as he finish, he just still come say one come go do the girl. Now the girl say no, say you not go do. Now the guy say you don't want to do. Now you just carry a knife again, no. Whether they use knife to do the guy something, me I don't know for am. Now he begin to fight the girl. The girl say no go do. He begin to fight, and along the last that they fight, now he carry the knife. Now he shook the girl. As he shook the girl, now the girl meme immediately. And darling people, very beautiful girl. If you see this shot of Yakbo, so the boy, una go shockalize. Una go shockalize. Like, I don't know what they happen to some guys. What be their problem? What you come make you meme this girl now? What did this girl do you, this guy? Because you they ask her for Bcoz, you not give you. And this guy take meme this girl. As they tell now, so the girl don't be RIP. The girl don't be RIP. And darling people, this one good for a year. My people, this one shock me, oh. The thing shockalize me now. Say make I can't tell my ogbonge people, make they see the latest way they happen now. My people, this one shocked me. It shocked me. Like, I don't know what they happen to some guys. I don't know. I don't know. Why it be say a man not go fit control his temper? A man, you cannot control your temper? Must you take knife to want a fight? Must you? This life not balance, so this life not balanced at all. My people, this one shocked me. It shocked me. Waiting Musa no go see forget. Eh? My get people, I beg. If you dey follow guy, now so that woman for Italy, husband take me around. Because they say the man they threaten her before, but she not gree comot. Why it be say una go dey follow man? The man go dey threaten una. Una go still there with them. Why? Why? You don't go run for your life? You go run for your life. What it go still make you deal with her for his house? I they always talk this thing, say, if you they follow man, now man will they always beat woman. Run for your life, not wait. Because as you see they so, they can do or not do. They cannot control their temper, now their hobby, they cannot stop it. It take by the grace of God for them to stop her. As far as the man don't they threaten you, say in go remember you, especially the one where they talk say, I go remember you one day. I go remember you one day. I be wrong. Wrong. When I don't see many way don't happen for social media. Just see this beautiful girl. Now this guy just give a Maru IP. Yesterday, yeah. Now they don't arrest her now. Maybe you go spend 10 years or 8 years. I don't know how many years they stay. Then you go still come out there alive. That is if you never met me before then. But that girl now don't met me. Your family now don't lost her. With 2 children. This guy now, 2 children now, he don't talk to government. So, when they see the matter, my people, this one shocked me. Oh, it shocked me. Wait till come the apple for this world. Wait till the apple for some of our guys there. Nigeria can never, some of them cannot control their temper. I don't understand. Some of my people, the matter tire me. Now I say make I can't tell you now. More than see the latest what just happened for Germany yesterday. Yeah, it shocked me. It shocked me. May I so rest the perfect peace, because you know easy to lose somebody just like that, my darling people. So now when be say, if you get any brother or any friends, so be say they don't feel control their temper, please share this video to them so that may they see learn from inside. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again, I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye, everybody. Bye.